folks, it's me again. This is the weekly What's New. And sorry my makeup personnel didn't show up tonight, so I didn't get all pretty. Anyway, let's see. I wasn't sure if I should wear my hat in this video because it's like -6 out and it's probably -2 in here. I don't know. It's probably 0 degrees in here because the water on my bench is not frozen, so it's staying warm in here. What's new this week? Honestly, nothing. I haven't done anything this week. I've just been working on other stuff, busy with work, and been trying to get in here and just been working on other stuff. So I'm here tonight to do some work. So as for this is probably going to be the shortest. I lie every time I say that, but this week there's not much. I got a few new videos of weird vice grips coming. I got some Honda parts coming. Basically, I just been sniping out Honda parts that I need. I'll go online asking people for more Honda parts and getting Honda parts. Not that I need a million Honda parts. I just need... I'm waiting for one more bearing for that thing over there so I can get it rolling. I'm going to take it off there as soon as... I'm probably going to clean up the rims first. I'm not even going to clean them. I'm just going to put them on there, get it rolling, and bring it off there and just park it over here for now. Try to put on a wooden thing so I can possibly put the front rim, the front axle and the front wheel on from that one. Put the rear wheels on from the other one, and I'm gonna probably cut these tires off, and they're all cracked and shit. I'll leave probably the front one, which is okay. The back ones are like, they hold air, but they're finished. They're junk. But I might just use them as rollers for now. Probably gonna buy a much nicer set of rims. Not necessarily better, just like a better, like, because these are the cheap metal ones. Wherever I got this bike, the bike was basically a beater, and it's been severely beaten. The frame's useless as far as I'm concerned. So I'm gonna chop it all down, take it apart, get it out of my way, and just, I don't know, hang the frame for a trophy. And with that said, that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be playing with an engine pretty soon. I got to clean my bench off because it's absolutely horrible in here. How much shit's on the bench. As for the shop moving, I gave up trying to figure out when I'm moving. I'm guessing springtime. Our house is coming along good. It'll probably have... By the time you see this, it'll probably have all the siding done. It might have the front door by March. We got the patio door. We're missing 2 windows, so it's coming along. We order all the siding. We got to get a few shingles for the top part, and that's pretty much it. So I've been doing electrical on there on weekends. Normally I'd be in here on weekends, but I got to finish the electrical in there. So living's more important. Even though it's not a lot of work. It's just they're all rushing me. Oh, you got to have electrical. And I'm like, I need all the. I'm waiting for all the doors to be extended wider, and there's a few walls that we got to figure out where before I can just finish all the electrical. I'm like, and I keep saying this. I could do as much as I can, but I can't put the heater switches in because I want to put the thermostat near the door, and I don't know how big the door's gonna, like, they're gonna move the stud, so I don't feel like doing things twice. It drives me nuts when people tell you gotta take it out and do it again. I'd rather just have all the walls in place, all the doors, and just get that done. So anyway, but I'm not putting up construction videos. I don't like construction. I don't like doing it. I do it because I have to, and that's it. So I don't have $20,000 to hire somebody to do electrical. That's what I was last quoted. So with that said, working on a house, picking up small things here, picking up my quota of what I buy for my bike, which isn't much, a couple of pieces. I spend like a couple of weeks just searching and searching and searching. I do randomly pick up strange vice grips. I always, if it's a weird vice grip and I don't think I'll ever see one again, I don't care what the hell I got. It's not that price doesn't matter. If it's cheap, I'll buy it. If it's like a one I've seen online that's $900, no, I do not buy $900 vice grips. Oh hell no, even if I'm not even sure it is. But I do pick them up from time to time if they're reasonable, because a lot of it's like, there was one on there. It was I seen those pinch off vice grips. They're 7-inch pinch off vice grips. They're on there all the time for $49, and they sell them brand new for like $20. And I just kept searching and searching, and one day I found one for $7.99 with like $4 shipping in pristine condition. So there's people that are like, okay, we'll go by the normal like gouging price, and there's people just want to sell stuff. So yeah, with that said, I'll have a few more vice grip videos, because I should have just called this vice grip Emporium or some other stupid name. Instead, I made a huge name, Ganawagi Utah's Garage. In case you don't know how to say Ganawagi, it's Ganawagi. Ganawagi Utah's Garage, or KUGW as I tend to call it. I didn't really think out, when I named my channel, I didn't really think out the naming process too well, that maybe it should be short and simple. But you know what? It is what it is, and that's what it's staying. So I don't care. And also, as of this moment, I have 1,455 subscribers. I would like to thank every single one of you for subscribing. I hope by the time this gets aired, I will have 1,456 and not 55. I appreciate all the, all the subs, all the people. I can't even believe I have 1,400 subscribers. Like, I'm not even, I'm not even good at any of this. I just like to have fun and hack around. And I hope, I hope I'm entertaining somebody. I hope somebody's learning something. And if you have anything to teach me, please leave a comment. I like comments that are constructive. Like, if you have something for me to learn, I'll gladly learn it. I've learned many things watching different people's working on metalwork and stuff, and people are like, how do you know that? I'm like, well, I watch too many YouTube videos at work, so that's the problem. So anyway, with that said, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll have a new video, a Monday video, what's new. I'll have a Tuesday tool time Tuesday tool video, and I will try to have at least minimum a Friday and Saturday video, or at bare minimum a one tool video. The tool videos I already have enough to spread out until almost March, so cover for that one. I figure if I keep it to Friday and Saturday, it gives me enough time to pump some videos out. I'm not going to do the everyday thing anymore. So, or if I have a ton of videos and I get time to edit them, I'll do that. So for now, basically it's Friday, Saturday, Monday, and Tuesday. And I'll probably throw a bunch of shorts out there to tease you. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click some buttons over there, and thank you. Thanks for watching. Toodles!